Are you looking to learn how to use Descript's screen recording features effectively? You're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to make the most of Descript's powerful screen recording tools. Whether you're creating tutorials, presentations, or demo videos, Descript's screen recording features can really elevate your content. Stick with me till the end for a special bonus that'll help you get started with Descript for free. First things first, Descript makes screen recording incredibly simple. To get started, just open the software and click on the record button located at the top of the interface. It's intuitive, and you can choose to record either your entire screen or a specific portion. This flexibility means you can focus only on the content that matters, which is super helpful for keeping your videos neat and professional. Once you've selected your recording area, Descript allows you to choose whether or not you want to include your webcam feed. This is great if you're looking to add that personal touch with a face cam while recording your screen. You can also adjust the webcam size and position if you want to move it around and ensure it doesn't cover any important content on your screen. The layout is customizable, and that makes it perfect for everything from tutorial-style videos to product demos. A feature that stands out is Descript's ability to transcribe your recordings in real time. As soon as you finish recording, Descript automatically converts your speech into text. This makes editing your video a breeze, and you can easily navigate to any part of the video by simply clicking on the transcript. Need to remove a mistake? Just delete the word in the text, and Descript will automatically remove it from the video. It's like magic. Now, here's a cool tip. Once your screen recording is done, Descript lets you quickly edit not just the video, but also the audio and the text-based transcript. This makes it one of the most efficient tools for editing content, especially if you want to create polished videos without spending hours tweaking the footage. You can cut out unnecessary parts, improve sound quality, and even change the pacing to make the video flow better. One of my favorite parts of using Descript screen recording is the ability to overlay annotations and callouts. While editing, you can add text, arrows, shapes, and highlights to your video. This is ideal for explaining things in detail, especially when you are demonstrating software or explaining complex concepts. You can even add visual effects like zooming in on certain areas of your screen, ensuring that your viewers stay focused on the most important parts of your presentation. Descript also makes it super easy to export your videos. Whether you're exporting for social media, YouTube, or other platforms, you can choose from various resolution settings and file types. Plus, Descript's cloud-based storage makes it easy to access your recordings from any device, allowing you to work on your projects from anywhere, at any time. Lastly, if you're looking to collaborate with others, Descript has a seamless sharing feature. You can invite team members to review and edit your project directly within the platform. No more back and forth with email attachments or messy file transfers. Everything stays in one place, which is great for workflow efficiency. So, if you're ready to start using Descript's screen recording features, remember, you can try the software for free by clicking the link in the description below. Plus, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, giving you even more time to explore all the amazing features Descript offers. Don't miss out. This is a game changer for anyone looking to create professional screen recordings with ease. That's it for this quick guide. Make sure to check out the link for your free trial and start recording like a pro today.